What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Okay, guys, so you're welcome back to Editorial and Emmy's family channel. Okay, so it's actually a night time. That's why I'm actually using a ring light to film this video. Okay, guys, so I'm here in the kitchen with my girls, Elizabeth,
Hey guys,
and Beverly. Oh yeah, say hey guys. Say hi guys. With your spoons. Okay guys, so today guys, I want to prepare stew. I've actually not been cooking for some time. Baby, stop now. I've actually not been cooking for some while now because of my waist. I don't know, I can't even stand for like 5 minutes. Baby, I can't stand and carry you, you know that. I can't stand for like 5 minutes. In fact, for even 3 minutes, I can't even stand for long. I have to sit down. My waist is really hitting on me, really well. Okay, but what can I do? I have to cook because, you know, I'm among those categories of people that, you know, I kind of feel that if some other person prepares my meal, it will not taste well, except my husband. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, guys, so today let me show you what I'm gonna be doing. You know, I actually showed you guys my tomato preservations I'm making. Okay, so I'm actually going to be, I took one of the tomato paste. I'm not going to be cooking all though, but I'm going to be cooking at least to this place because it's going to be much. See, who carry this thing put inside oil, and it's actually going to be plenty, yeah, when I actually put in water. And I'm going to be cooking it with this I have here is turkey, okay, fried. Alfred and Joseph actually helped me to prepare and fry this turkey. Plus I have here cow head. I literally love cow head in stew because of the taste, and you know, and all of the momo thing. You know, your girl was raised in Lagos, so we are so freaking used to eating momo. So I still have some little cow meat that I did not fry. You know, I want a little bit of here and here, and then I'm gonna be using crayfish for my stew, and basically onion. I'm just showing you all these things because it already helped me prepare all these things, because you know, your girl cannot stand. I can't stand for so long because I can't even stand for 3 minutes, not even for so long. Even as I'm standing here talking. Beverly, now let me talk first. I beg. Even as I'm here talking to you guys, my waist is already feeling I should sit down. But I need to try to make this stew. I want to make it in a little plenty quantity so that I can store it inside the freezer, you know, since I can't be cooking all the time, so I can at least boil rice and stuff. Anyway, let's stop all the talking. Okay, so let's go now. I have some assistants here. I have Ihechi. And I have Beverly, but Beverly is just here shouting. Here I have the oil that we actually use to fry this meat. Your girl cannot bend down. Like, I can't literally bend down to touch my toe You know, when I bend down and stand up, I'll be breathing like someone, you know, who climbed 3-story building. So what I'm doing right now, I'm actually putting the oil for it to let it be hot. First of all, this is the pot I'm going to be using to cook this stew. Yeah, okay, so I will wait for the oil to get hot while I would have to be untying my tomato. Guys, I struggle to open this tomato. That's just another thing. So I'm going to be taking the one that I'm going to be using for my stew. Let me take more. Right? Welcome. So this is the one I'm going to be using. Okay? It smells really good. So see what my husband they do. He just come back on and chop my meat. You're not going back to go and eat my meat, ma. Okay, so my oil on the fire is hot and ready. And the first thing I'm gonna be putting is my tomato. Sorry. My onion. But I don't blame you. Okay. My pikin they carry my brain. Actually, carry this. So the next thing I would love to put in here is crayfish, and I'm going to allow this crayfish fry for a little long while, okay, until I perceive the smell. Okay guys, so I've actually allowed this crayfish fry for some time, and now I'm going to be putting my ginger and garlic, and I'll allow it to fry also. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to be putting in is the tomato. Thank you. Okay, so what left?
Onion, crayfish, black and ginger, Maggi sauce and tomato.
Better. So Elizabeth is learning how to cook. I'm standing like an old woman. Like I can't stand straight. God, I don't want to stand like this, yeah, because of my tummy. You know, my tummy is going to be hot when I stand straight there. That's why I'm standing this way. Yeah. Look at Beverly and Dada Beverly. Dada Beverly and Beverly. Self-sweating. I sweat like Christmas boots.
I want more Ribena for this too.
I want more Ribena for this too. cover it and let it heat.
Oh,
Okay guys, so gonna be right back. Yeah, let it heat a little more. Sweet, sweet, give me. Oh, you're so generous. Oh my god, so sweet. Thank you. She's so generous. Okay guys, so let me rest. I'm gonna sit down before my waist will break.
let me continue from this. Yeah?
I like her very well because she doesn't like. So guys, the baby is helping because my waist want to break. That is still a baby.
Yes.
Huh?
To feel the spots.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
The meat is small.
I wasn't intending to use all the meat.
Okay.
This one, close it. Let's go and rest.
Is this one the turkey?
This one done.
No? Is this the turkey?
No, it's not turkey. My husband wants to finish my meat. Look at.
I want to know now.
No, it's not meat.
Is it turkey?
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not turkey.
Let me test it. Let me be sure it's turkey.
Yes, people should come and warn him. Oh.
It's
You want
turkey.
to finish?
It's turkey.
It's tasting like turkey. What is it? What was it before?
Is it turkey?
It's dog meat.
Is it local turkey or is this local turkey or English turkey?
Yes,
Is it imported or local breed?
See what you're cooking, you do your clothes.
It's allowed.
Okay.
Perfume.
Hey, perfume. She's a perfume with the Rabina.
Perfume.
I've eaten like everything. Let's keep her now. Okay guys, so I've been frying this for quite some time, and now I want to put the stock, the meat and other stuff for my stew to be done. So let me draw you closer to my pot. So this is the tomato. I've been frying it, and I fried it so that the slapness will be gone. It will not be slapping, So here I have my stock, the stock to the turkey and cow head. Obviously have a lot of oil from the stock. So now I have to turn, and I have to put in water. Actually, please give me water. So I'm going to be putting the cow head. I'm going to be putting in the turkey. I'm not going to be putting all of this dough because we're going to be using some to prepare soup. stew is looking sumptuous. I need to put in more water, you know, to loosen it up. Too much, because if the tomato is too thick, the taste is not going to come out as much as I want it to. So you see, it's still very thick. Yeah, my stew is still very thick. So I'm going to be putting in Maggi, salt, and what else? That literally, that's just it. Okay guys, alright, so I'm done my stew preparation, and this is how it looks like. Yeah. Oh, then this is how it looks like. Yeah. Nice stew. Okay, so I've dished my rice. My stew is ready. You see, simple. So that is actually why I prefer, you know, preparing my tomato and storing it, and when I grab it, it does not waste time. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till this time. You know. I'll see you again in the next video. Please subscribe if you have not yet done that. If you're actually just watching us and you've not subscribed, that means you love us. So why not just subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you again. Love you so much. Peace out.